arbitrationagreements.org. Are you interested in understanding more about mediation? This video will guide you on a fundamental aspect of mediation, whether it is voluntary or not. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you resolve all sorts of personal and business-related issues. So, is mediation voluntary? In most cases, the answer is a resounding yes. According to studies, about 95% of mediations are voluntarily participated in by both parties. This means that those involved choose to mediate and are not forced or compelled. Mediation provides a platform for disputing parties to come together willingly, giving them the opportunity to express their views and emotions in a neutral environment. In this process, parties retain full control over the decision to settle and the terms of any agreement. The mediator doesn't have the power to impose a solution, but bear in mind, the rules can vary. While mediation is typically voluntary, in certain jurisdictions and under specific conditions, courts may order parties to participate in a mediation session. For example, in the United States, court-ordered mediation is common in small claims courts and family courts. The voluntary nature of mediation plays a crucial role in its success. Studies suggest that the voluntary participation of parties in mediation leads to higher settlement rates. In fact, data indicates that the success rate of mediation can be as high as 80% when parties are willingly involved. In conclusion, the voluntary aspect of mediation often contributes to its effectiveness and success. This principle enables parties to engage openly and work collaboratively towards a mutually beneficial resolution. If you want to learn more information about mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people and businesses from multiple industries use our services to resolve disagreements in a controlled fashion through a cost-effective manner. If you're interested in opening a new account or case, give us a call. Also, what do you think about the nature of mediation? Do you see it as an effective alternative to litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about the law that can help you and your business succeed.